Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of diverging market fortunes. Overnight, in the final trading sessions for July, global stocks sank by the most in almost 5 months. This was driven by some disappointing earnings reports, especially from those with Russian or European exposures, and credit market concerns after Argentina defaulted and a Portuguese bank was ordered to raise capital. The oil price slid sharply and the US dollar strengthened. These nerves appeared even as American labour costs showed good gains in data overnight. They were the largest gains since the third quarter of 2008. This is a key Fed labour market gauge and is being closely watched for clues on the timing of their first interest rate increase. Fed officials acknowledged the improvements but said significant underutilisation of labour resources remained. Tomorrow morning's American non-farm payrolls report will be critical in setting the direction for next week. Markets are expecting a 230,000 gain in employment and the unemployment rate to hold at 6.1%. We get our own look at June employment on Wednesday next week. In addition to Argentina and the new Portuguese bank stress, perhaps the Eurozone fall in their consumer price index to plus 0.4% has markets worried too. Another step toward deflation was revealed in the starter out overnight. This has occurred despite relatively radical action from the ECB. In mid-afternoon trade today, US Treasury 10-year yields were holding at 2.55%. The oil price has fallen sharply today, however, on the US benchmark is now under $99 a barrel. Overnight, the first exports of US oil in 40 years sailed for South Korea. On the Brent benchmark, it is now under $106 a barrel. Gold also fell sharply, is now at $1,283 an ounce. We start today with the New Zealand dollar holding its own against the stronger US dollar. We are now at just under 85 US cents, just under 91.4 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 79.7. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.